As a vehicle owner, maintenance comes down to three things: safety, reliability, and performance. We are recommending a BG Climate Control service to improve the quality of the air you breathe, the reliability of your AC system, and the efficiency to restore the coolest temperatures possible. Over time, the system produces condensation, creating a damp environment, which leads to the growth of bacteria and mold, much like aging bread. This can lead to unpleasant odors, respiratory problems, and other health issues for the people inside your vehicle. Help prevent mold spores and bacteria from building up by maintaining the system regularly to keep it clean and dry. This includes changing the cabin air filter on an annual basis, using the AC system regularly to help dry out moisture, and having the system inspected and cleaned by a professional. The BG Climate Control Service restores air quality and efficiency by killing bacteria and removing contaminants to ensure a safer, healthier, and a more comfortable environment inside your vehicle. Be good to your car and you. Choose the BG Climate Control Service today.